This is Ron Scott Jr.'s 1963 Chevrolet Corvette, a split-window C2 that started life as a rough roller found on eBay for $35,000 and ended up as one of the most striking pro touring builds you will ever see on the street or at a show. Ron had always loved the vintage race look on classic Corvettes, the wide fender flares, the aggressive spoilers, the race-style wheels and brakes, and the sound of a powerful V8 through open headers. He wanted a car he could not only show, but take to track days and autocross events. When he found this particular split window, the bodywork was rough, and the car had no interior. Ron said it was perfect, because they did not want to modify anything that was nice. What you are looking at in these early photos is the car as it appeared after its first full build, wearing a set of Don's wheels with massive red brake calipers behind them and an LS3 V8 under the hood. The wide-body fender flares were already there, giving the C2 body a stance it could never have achieved from the factory. The front end is pure 1963 Corvette, that long hood, those stacked headlamps, that iconic billet grille, but transformed by the wider haunches and dropped ride height into something that looks like it belongs at Sebring. Inside, a full custom interior, black leather throughout with red contrast stitching, a Momo steering wheel, custom gauges, and a center console that looks like it was machined from a billet block. Race-quip harnesses in both seats, because this car was always meant to be driven hard. The engine bay on the LS3 build is clean and purposeful. A Corvette logoed valve cover, a cold air intake, and all the plumbing tucked and routed like a car that takes craftsmanship seriously. Ron did not stop at the first build. The car evolved. The Don's wheels gave way to Forgeline VX3C concave three-piece forged wheels, a completely different visual language, darker and more aggressive, with polished outer lips and bright red C6 Z06 brake calipers visible behind every spoke. The suspension was sorted with Global West tubular control arms up front, C3 2-inch drop spindles, Bilstein non-adjustable shocks, and a Global West front sway bar. The result is a car that sits exactly as low as it looks and handles exactly as hard as the brakes suggest it can. These PRI's show floor shots capture the car in competition at one of the most prestigious automotive events in the country, surrounded by the best builds in the business and holding its own on every level. From any angle, on any surface, this split-window Corvette delivers. This is a 1963 C2 that can win a show class in the morning and run autocross in the afternoon, exactly the way Ron Scott Jr. envisioned it from the day he found it on eBay. Subscribe for more builds like this.